them. Thank you very much, Gladys. I just in the on the road with high glass. Alright, thank you very much. I'm going to call him right now. Set him on the road for a morning and him buy the fowl. And I reach back here with the fowl for cook for dinner.
Take time and watch your pressure, man, no, sir.
Yes, honey bun. Yes, honey bun. Me no bun high grade weed. A bush weed me bun. A mark give me my first weed. And Jesus Christ, me I forgot what my daddy had done before. I said, if that boy not answer phone, you see? A lot of time that they said me got a shop.
Me tell if you go on home.
Me go home.
Me tell if you go on home, I never want to listen.
And the whole like chicken melt up. Jesus Christ. I feel your father.
And look over and me let you top 10 up on me road. Me let you go on home.
Yes, daddy. Japheth, where are you? I can't get taxi, daddy. Me go come home, daddy. A walking distance, me send you, Japheth. How you can't get taxi? Just know something no say the pan if he road with high glass. I'm going pop your neck. Just remember, I'm going, you wait till I reach you. Nothing I can't bother put on again. Japheth, me say, if you don't reach in the next 2 minutes, me change the lock them pan the door. How hard? For when me give you a inch, you take a mile. And when me give you a mile, you take a while. Japheth, me say, if you don't reach back here, you see. He hung up in me ears.
Me a beg for him, Magnus, sir. Nobody kill him, Magnus, sir.
No, you know where yourself, man. I go and fix him business. You wait till he reach you. Me go tell him, say you're man.
I'll be telling you to go on home.